Hello friends, welcome in Bangage Maths Academy. In previous video, we have seen practice set 4.1 and 4.2. In this video, we will see problem set of geometric construction. Let's start. Problem set 4. Question first. Select the correct alternative for each of the following questions. First question. The number of tangents that can be drawn to a circle at a point on the circle is option A 3, option B 2, option C is 1 and option D is 0. We have to write down correct alternative. So for reference, see this figure. We can draw only one tangent point given on the circle. So answer is C 1. Then see next question. The maximum number of tangents that can be drawn to a circle from a point outside it is option A 2, option B 1, option C 1 and only 1, option D 0. See figure for reference. We can draw two tangents from the exterior point. So our answer is option A 2. Then third question. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR and AB upon PQ is equal to 7 upon 5, then option A triangle ABC is bigger, option B triangle PQR is bigger, option C both triangles will be equal, option D cannot be decided. See, ratio of side is given AB upon PQ is equal to 7 upon 5. So we can decide from this ratio triangle ABC is bigger. So option A, triangle ABC is bigger. Second question. Draw a circle with center O and radius 3.5 cm. Take point P at a distance 5.7 cm from the center. Draw tangent to the circle from point P. First of all, draw a circle with radius 3.5 cm. So in compass, take 3.5 cm distance. And center of the circle is O. Push till point of compass on point O and draw a circle with radius 3.5 cm. Then take a point P at a distance 5.7 cm. Radius of the circle is 3.5 cm and we have to take a point P at a distance 5.7 cm from the center. So draw radius and extend to the right side. Then take distance in your compass 5.7 cm. Take distance in compass 5.7 cm. And put still point on point P and draw intersecting arc to this ray. So we get the position of point P. From point P we have to draw tangent to the circle. So Draw perpendicular bisector of segment OP. So take distance in your compass further apart half than OP. Put real point on point P and draw arc to the upper side and to the lower side. Keeping the distance same, put compass on point O and draw intersecting arc to previous arc. Then join this with the help of ruler. Take point M, then M as a center and MO as a radius. Take distance between compass as MO or MP. Then draw intersecting arc to the circle like this. Then join point P and point arc intersects circle at that point. So we drawn tangent to the circle from exterior point. Third example, draw any circle, take any point A on it and construct tangent at A without using the center of the circle. So radius is not given, so we have to draw a circle with convenient radius. Draw a circle with suitable radius. Center of the circle P. Take any point A on it. Take point A on the circle and we have to draw tangent at A without using the center of the circle. So through point A draw a chord AB and take any point on the circle point M, then join BM and AM. See, we have to draw tangents passing through point A. Take suitable distance in your compass and put compass on point M and draw intersecting arcs to side MB and side MA. Keeping the distance same, put compass on point A and draw arc intersecting to side AB and extend to its lower side. Then take distance in your compass like this and put still point on this point and draw intersecting arc to this arc. Then join this point and point A with the help of ruler. So we draw tangent to the circle without using the center of the circle. Fourth example, draw a circle of diameter 6.4 cm. Take a point R at a distance equal to its diameter from the center. Draw tangents from point R. See, in this example, diameter is given 6.4 centimeter. We can draw a circle with diameter 6.4. So first of all find r. R is equal to d upon 2 is equal to 6.4 upon 2. By cancelling 2 3 are 6, give decimal point, 2 2 are 4. So r is equal to 3.2 centimeter. We get radius. Then take distance in your compass, 3.2 centimeter. Take point P as a center and draw a circle with radius 3.2 centimeter. Radius of the circle is 3.2. Then take a point R at a distance equal to its diameter from the center. So draw radius and extend it to the right side. So point R is at a distance of 6.4 centimeter. Equal to its diameter means 6.4, because diameter of the circle is 6.4 centimeter. So take distance in your compass, 6.4 centimeter. Put still point of compass on point P and draw intersecting R. So we get point R. We have to draw tangents from point R. So take further apart half than distance between PR. Put compass on point R and draw arc to the upper side and to the lower side. Keeping the distance same, draw intersecting arc to previous arc. With the help of ruler, join this. Radius is perpendicular to tangent. Then point M. Then we have to draw tangents through point R. So take M as the center and MP as the radius, or MR as the radius. Draw intersecting arcs or complete this circle like this. Join point R and this point. We draw two tangents to the circle through point R. Fifth example, draw a circle with center P, draw an arc AB of 100-degree measure, draw tangent to the circle at point A and point P. So here given that measure of an arc is 100-degree. So draw a rough figure for this. center of the circle is P. See, we have to given that measure of this arc is 100 degree. So angle APB is an central angle. So measure of arc AB is equal to measure of angle APB by the measure of central angle definition. So see, measure of arc AB is 100 degree. So measure angle APB is equal to measure of arc AB by the definition of measure arc. So therefore measure angle APB is equal to 100 degree. From this information we get measure of this angle 100 degree. Then we can draw tangents at point A and point B. Draw a circle with convenient radius center of the circle is point P. Take convenient radius in your compass and draw a circle. Draw ray PA. Then construct an angle at point P which measures 100 degree. We get the position of point B. So measure angle APB is 100 degree. Then with the help of compass draw tangents at point A and B. So take suitable distance in compass. Put compass on point A, draw intersecting arc to left and to right side of segment point A. Then do same procedure at point B. Put compass on point B and draw intersecting arcs to ray PB. Then take further apart half the distance between these two arcs. Draw arcs to the both sides of ray PA. With same procedure draw intersecting arc to this previous arc. Join with the help of ruler. We draw tangents at point A and point B. Radius is perpendicular to tangent. Sixth example, draw a circle of radius 3.4 cm and center E. Take point F on the circle. Take another point A such that EFA and FA is equal to 4.1 cm. Draw tangent to the circle from point A. we have to draw a circle with radius 3.4 centimeter. Then take distance in your compass 3.4 centimeter. 3.4, and center of the circle is E. E as the center. Draw circle with radius 3.4 centimeter. Radius of the circle is 3.4. Then take a point F on the circle at any place. Point F. And EFA means point EFA are collinear and FA is 4.1. So draw radius EF and extend it to right side. See, EF distance is 3.4 centimeter and FA is equal to 4.1 centimeter. So take distance in your compass 4.1 centimeter. And put compass on point F and draw an arc intersecting to ray EF. So we get the position of point A. So FA distance is 4.1 centimeter. We have to draw tangents passing through point A. So draw perpendicular bisector of segment AE. Take further apart half than distance between your compass. Put compass on point A. Draw arc to upper and to lower side. Put compass on point E. Keeping distance same. Draw intersecting arc to previous arc. Then join this with the help of ruler. Then F as the center and FE as radius or FA as radius. Draw intersecting arc to circle and draw tangent through point A. We draw tangent to the circle through point A. Seventh example, triangle ABC is similar to triangle LBN. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to 5.1 centimeter, angle B is equal to 40 degree, BC is equal to 4.8 centimeter, AC upon LN is equal to 4 upon 7. Construct triangle ABC and triangle LBN. See, if we observe this example, there is point B is common. So point B is common in both triangle, in triangle ABC and triangle LBN. So first of all, to construct triangle ABC and triangle LBN, draw segment BC of length 4.8 centimeter with the help of ruler. Draw segment BC 4.8 centimeter. Then angle B is given 40 degree. With the help of protractor at point B, construct an angle which measures 40 degree. Then AB is given 5.1 centimeter. Take distance in your compass 5.1 centimeter. Put compass on point B and draw intersecting arc on this ray. We get point A. Join this, say point A and point C. So we draw triangle ABC from the given information. We have to construct triangle LBN. So draw ray passing through BA respect to side BC to the lower side. AC upon LN is 4 upon 7. The ratio is given 4 upon 7. So draw 7 equal parts on this ray, taking suitable distance in compass. We draw 7 equal parts on this ray. You name B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7. See, AC upon LN is 4 upon 7. So, see B4 point. Join point B4 and point C with the help of ruler. Then construct congruent angle at B7. So take suitable distance in compass. Put compass on B4 and draw arc intersecting to side B4C and this ray. Keeping the distance same, put compass on point B7 and draw arc like this. Then take distance in your compass. Put compass on this point and draw intersecting arc. So First of all, extend BC to right side. Then join B7 and this point. We get point N. Then construct an angle at point N, angle ACB. Take suitable distance in compass and draw arc like this. Put compass keeping the distance same on point N and draw arc. Take distance in compass. Put compass on this point. Draw intersecting arc. Then join point N and this point with the help of ruler. Extend ray BA. We get the point L. So this is the required triangle ABC and triangle LBN. Eighth example, construct triangle PYQ such that PY is equal to 6.3 cm, YQ is equal to 7.2 cm, PQ is equal to 5.8 cm. If YZ upon YQ is equal to 6 upon 5, then construct triangle XYZ similar to triangle PYQ. In these two both triangle, point Y is common. So, first of all, construct triangle PYQ from the given information. So, draw segment PY of length 6.3 cm. Draw segment PY of length 6.3 cm. Then YQ distance is given 7.2 cm. Take distance in your compass 7.2 cm. Put compass on point Y and draw arc to the upper side. Then distance PQ is given 5.8. Take distance in your compass 5.8 cm. Put compass on point P and draw intersecting arc to previous arc. We get point Q. Then join P and Q with the help of ruler. Join YQ with the help of ruler. Extend segment YQ and also extend segment YP. Construct a suitable angle passing through point Y respective to side YP. Then YZ upon YQ is 6 upon 5. So draw 6 equal parts. Draw 6 equal parts. Give name Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4, Y5 and Y6. YZ upon YQ is equal to 6 upon 5. So Y5 and P join this. Then construct congruent angle at Y6. Take suitable distance in your compass. Draw an intersecting arc to these sides. Keeping the distance same, put compass on Y6 and draw arc to the right side like this. Then take distance in your compass. Put compass on this point and draw intersecting arc and join this Y6 and this point. We get point X. Then construct an angle at point X with YPQ. Then take suitable distance in your compass. Draw an arc intersecting to side YP and side PQ. Put compass on X and draw arc to the upper side like this. Then measure this distance with the help of compass. Take distance between your compass. Put still point on this arc and draw intersecting arc to this. Then join this point X and point intersecting arcs. So we draw triangle PYQ and triangle XYZ which are similar to each other. Hence we completed 4th chapter geometric construction with problem set. Please like, share, comment the video, and to get the notifications of new video, please subscribe Bange's Math Academy and press the bell icon. Thank you.